Coming up in primetime news, TikTok in its final hours in the United States as court delivers landmark judgment.
Lawmaker makes a bold promise of cheaper energy for Jamaicans.
And the ministry looking for both local and overseas workers to fill posts in the public health system. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kelisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kelisha, Liberty Latin America, the parent company of Flow Jamaica, will be closing its financial global business services operation in the country. I'll tell you about the possible impact later on in the financial week.
And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, G. A mixed day it was for the West Indies as their two-test series against Pakistan got underway in Malton. We'll give you more details in primetime sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what measures would you implement to address the shortage of healthcare workers in the healthcare system?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.